I'm Olsen. I'm working in the IT industry. I'm proud owner of this home. My interior designer is Cheryl. It's from Yin Studio. Actually, I posted a request of the Reno in Renopedia website. I got the reply from them quite fast. ID actually contacted me and meeting out with me and showing me all those quotation and the design. Actually, she get what I wanted, and also the price is very reasonable. For my themes of my home, actually, I did not have any idea where. I just browsed through on the website, see whichever it matched the idea that I look comfortable. And actually, I work with the ID and also see whether it can match what I wanted in this design. Favorite part of my home, probably my computer rooms. Yeah, because now I have my own space to actually work on it and also have some personal time using in that rooms. Actually, using the Renopedia platform is quite easy. It's very simple. I went to the website. I just key in the amount that I have in my budget and what idea that I wanted to do in my reno. Actually, those ID will come to contact me and share me with all the ideas they have. Then do the reno of my house lah. Yes. Before using Renopedia, actually I have no idea who to look for my renovation. With this platform, actually I can just the requirement that I want, then they get back to me. And it's easier for me that I'm the first time of the owner of this house. Actually, I do not have any idea how the reno gonna be and what will be the pricing and all those things. So actually I just like throwing a stone, waiting for all the answers coming back and all the quotation back. Like, yeah. Thank you, Renopedia. Thinking of renovation? Check out Renopedia. Maybe you'll be a next big winner.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.